In a remote valley, a seasoned instructor guides a small group through practical survival skills learned the hard way. They start with shelter building using fallen branches and natural insulation, transforming rough terrain into a secure, breathable refuge. Next comes water procurement and purification, followed by signaling methods that respect wildlife and preserve precious resources. The session shifts to decision-making under pressure, turning observations into confident choices that keep the group calm. By dusk, students reflect on how nature educates through challenges, turning hard lessons into practical, everyday resilience.